Russian tank crews have a rough time against Ukraine's army, being under constant threat by multiple weapon systems and being a prime target each time on the front line. Here a Russian tank was being targeted by a Ukrainian FPV drone, with the tank backing, leaving the more armored section against the drone strike, causing the drone to only do damage with the tank still functional. However, this would quickly change as the tank continues to back out on a minefield, causing an internal fire to be created after driving over a mine, destroying the tank, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.